Hello, hello. Today we're going to make a rubberized egg just using vinegar and an egg. So I've got my ingredients right here. I've got my eggs. They're just raw eggs. They're not hard boiled or anything. And I've got 2 plastic cups. They don't have to be plastic. I'm just keeping them, want them to be clear so you can see what I'm doing. And just regular vinegar. So I'm gonna put this in the cup. Let's see here, just gonna put those right in there. And I probably didn't need to add so much vinegar in that one. All right, so I'm also going, let's see here, gonna get some food coloring and then add some color to it just for fun. Okay, so I've got some red coloring. Put in 3 drops of that, and I want my egg to be orange, so I'm gonna do 3 drops of yellow too. And over on this one, we're going to do blue. 1, 2, 3. Oops, that might have been 4. That's okay. And I'd like it to be kind of a bluish green, so I'm gonna add some green. 1, 2, 3. Cool. See what that does. Give it a little swish. Oops, give it a little swish. And we're just gonna let this sit for 24 hours and come back and check on it and see what else we need to do. Okay, so it's been probably 80 hours since I put them in. You can see pictures from before, that was after 24 hours. I took a little bit of a break Sunday and Monday for Memorial Day weekend, so I wasn't really able to get to them. So, but I did hear that it works better if you leave it in longer. So it's given them extra time to get rubberized. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at these and let you guys take a look at what's going on here. Okay, so there's the green and the orange. And you can see on the green one, there's some discoloration. There we go. And those bubbles are from the reaction from the vinegar and the eggshell, the calcium carbonate in the eggshell. There's the orange one. But we're gonna pull those out in just a second and see how those look. All right, so there we go. There's our green and our orange. Okay, let's pull these out. Let's see here. Gonna be a little messy probably. All right, so here's our egg. We're gonna put it right here. Let's see, just put it down in front here, if you can see that. There we go. And our orange one, it's gonna get a little messy. I would recommend probably doing this over the sink. So that is what it looks like. I'm gonna get another paper towel and dry those off a little better. So I'll move this down. There we go. Let's see. There's our eggs, our rubberized eggs. Kind of scrape off some of that film there, or just leave it. I don't know. It kind of wipes off, and it really feels very rubbery. But don't bounce them too hard because it is still has some raw egg in there. But you can kind of see it just kind of bounces around. Now I've heard that if you poke it, you will have a little bit of an explosion. So let's look at that. Okay, so I've got a toothpick, I've got my paper towels, and let's see what happens. Let's get really close here and see what we can do. And there's the egg. Ta-da! So it is gonna get messy. All right, and that's how you rubberize an egg.